Hello. Just felt like I needed an art desk. I was kind of getting tired of doing all my art on the floor and just laying on the ground. It wasn't really working for me. So, fully hope that I don't break any of my body parts. And I don't know why I'm telling you about it. I'm just gonna set it up. That's pretty much it. So I'm gonna put my art desk up against this window right here. Say hi to my neighborhood. But I'm gonna put it right down here, just kind of in front of the window, which is literally right next to my bed. So I can just sit on my bed and do art from my art desk. Yes? No, not right now. Thank you. So, yeah, I'm just gonna put it over by the window. This is my art desk. It's very big and long. Hi. So, this is gonna be what I'm setting up today. It's only 2 parts. It's really not a lot of work, but it's a lot of work for me because I have no body strength whatsoever. So, here is me putting together a desk all by myself. Can I live with this? Is this a livable angle? Can we just do this one, and then if it doesn't work, I'll just post a picture or a video of it set up and end. Cause this is it. So I just realized that this table does in fact have screws in it, and I don't have any screws. So the whole point of an art table is that it's like flexible, like you can raise it up and kind of tilt it and get the angle you want. But for now, it's gonna have to stay flat. I was really excited to tilt it up and show you guys how cool this very expensive item was that is rendered completely useless unless you have like 6 screws. Also realized that I can no longer get out from this side of the bed. Like, it's fine. It'll come together and you'll all see what I mean. Why can't I just be in frame? Okay. So, yes? Hey, Grandma. Alright. Everyone. So, I've set up the desk, and now I think I'm probably just going to clean the top because it has a bunch of old tape and, how do you say, dirt on it. So, I'm going to go ahead and give it like a quick scrub, put all my art stuff on it, and then show you guys what it looks like when it's done. So this is my little setup for now. I have my little A structure easel with some gemstones up top and a gemstone my friend got me right there, kind of being snatched by my little figurine. I have my little palettes. I use these for gouache, which I've been loving lately, and these are my gouache paints. That is my Himalayan salt lamp. It lights up different colors, which I think is super cool. Very good vibes. My bell, some more crystals, the little stand where I keep you guys, and my computer. So yeah, very minimal, hoping to get some plants, maybe kind of green it up, hopefully kind of just redo the whole space, my whole room, and just give it a new look, something refreshing. Alright, so that concludes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. My commissions are open. You guys can email me or you can message me on Instagram at Zoe Sinclair, or you can tweet at me on my Twitter if you find it.
Yeah.